Welcome to our channel. If you want to create a MasterClass account and learn from world-renowned experts, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit the MasterClass website. Click on the Try MasterClass or Get Started button displayed prominently on the home page. Step 2. You'll be presented with different membership options. Review the available plans, such as the individual, duo, or family memberships, and select the one that best fits your needs. Step 3. Click on your chosen plan to proceed to the registration page. MasterClass typically offers a trial period or satisfaction guarantee, so review these terms carefully. Step 4. Enter your email address to create your account. You'll also need to create a secure password for your MasterClass account. Step 5. Provide your payment information, including credit card details or PayPal account. Enter your billing address and review the total amount you'll be charged. Step 6. Review the membership terms, including auto-renewal information and the cancellation policy. Make sure you understand when and how you'll be charged. Step 7. Click on the Start Membership or Complete Purchase button to finalize your subscription. You'll receive a confirmation email with your account details and receipt. Step 8. After creating your account, you'll be taken to your MasterClass dashboard. Take some time to explore the interface and browse through the extensive catalog of classes. Step 9. Set up your profile by adding a profile picture and personalizing your preferences. You can also create multiple profiles if you have a duo or family membership. Step 10. Start watching classes immediately by clicking on any instructor or topic that interests you. You can save classes to your queue for later viewing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.